I am about to show you a math problem that looks impossible at first glance, but if you see the trick, you will solve it faster than most teachers. Seriously, 99% of students mess this up. No calculator, no long expansions, just pure thinking. Are you ready? Here's the challenge. We have a problem, limit n approaches to infinity, nth root of n divided by n. We need to evaluate this. So pause the video and try it yourself and let's see if you can beat the trick or not. So let's start. So first of all, I'm going to rewrite nth root of n as n power 1 over n. This means if I divide nth root of n with n, I'm going to get n power 1 over n divided by n. So we can further simplify this. This can be written like that, n power 1 over n minus 1, and this is the trick that I use by using the indices law. Now we can further simplify the powers that we have. When we simplify, we are going to get n power 1 minus n over n. This means this is the expression that we have. We know that limit n approaches to infinity, n power 1 over n will be equal to 1. This means if I write the expression n power 1 over n, when we take the limit n approaches to infinity, we are going to get 1 over n. This means we have limit n approaches to infinity 1 over n, that will be equal to 0. So this is our answer.